let's have a quick look for a moment at some fantastic advertising for products that have made a clear distinction about who their target is and who their target isn't. I want you to think about targeting like a spectrum. At one end of this line is everybody in the whole wide world. And at the other end of this line is one person. Now, when it comes to marketing, the absolute best target would be one person, because if we have one target, we can understand who they are and what they want and what they believe and what are the products that they buy and what their income is and what their job is and what their family situation is. And so we can make the perfect solution and communicate in a relevant way straight to them. Now, at the other end of this spectrum is everybody in the whole wide world. Now, if you ask me, what does everybody in the whole wide world need? Well, the answer is everything. I can't make clear choices about what features to put in my product. I can't make clear choices about what language to use when I'm talking to them. I have to make vague commitments, and I have to use this woolly, fluffy language which doesn't really speak to anybody. And the people who look at my product or look at my solution don't see themselves in my communication or in the choices that I've made, and they go off and they buy from somebody who is clearly offering exactly what they need. Remember this, one of the biggest mistakes in marketing is to believe that you can be all things to all people. Marketing is about making choices, not only about who you want to target, but who you will not target.